Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It's a fine morning over here. We give much so much God for this amazing, beautiful day today. So on this video today, it's a super special video, guys. As you see, the environment we have started this video is specifically different from where I've already been starting. So now you also see what we call like concrete and everything, buildings, cars, and everything, which simply that I'm very far from the village, but not very much far. So this day today, it's another great day. I came over here. This is a bus stop. It's called Easy Coach. We are literally near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. But before I give you more details about this, have you subscribed? Please subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. Today is a great, grand, very big day. You know, when we speak about very big day, and also it's a very big day for the less vulnerable today, you know, because it has been long time, and man, without much details, subscribe, man, like, and also let me know in the comments what you think about it. So I'm over here at Easy Coach. It's one of the best bus companies that they commute people from the village here to the city, and then from the city to this. Though we have different companies of bus, but this sounds the best because they go in a slow motion. I've never had them recording some what you call like accidents, you know. So I really love this, and also I really sometimes recommend people to use this bus company. So we are actually near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, where you see over there it's the immigration area. That's the gate, you know, that's the wall. So when you close by to the other side, it's Tanzania. So this is the Kenyan part, migration. As you see, there's some flags. Let me zoom. You see there's some flags over there, you know. Yeah, that shows that we are near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. But without much ado, guys, you know, the thing is, the main theme of this is that there's a subscriber from the UK who have really been wanting to support the orphanage by some stuffs. So because she had somebody over here in Kenya who are doing some very great, amazing work in Nairobi. So she told me today that, oh, the visitor has arrived. So the big surprise from UK has arrived in Kenya. So the person who would come with the gift also has arrived in Nyabohanse village, which is the Sirari area where we are. So I'll be taking him to Nyabohanse so that he can relax. We can have maybe breakfast, and yeah, we can see what's going on around. So we have some better luggages that are here, and we'll be taking them to the orphanage. So feel free, watch this video to the end, and you want to see what's happening around here. This is the best place. If you want to come some days, maybe I want to take our visitor also to Tanzania over here. The big thing is Tanzania is just around here, man. We're going to go there, have our you have breakfast in Tanzania, you have lunch in Kenya, and then you sleep in Tanzania, something like that. Or you sleep in Tanzania, you wake up in Kenya, you have breakfast in Tanzania, just something like that, which is very much better. So we have some luggages in here that we have to literally pick and go with them. So also with me, I have a little idea about them, but it will be better when we are together, we are all together, unboxing those gifts, which are very good. And also, guys, it has been long since we had some big surprises to the orphanage, and you know, sometimes people keep quiet, like, oh, you know, things are happening, this have happened to this, and this is doing this. Man, please, let's help them. Let's help the less vulnerable. Let's not take advantage of them. Like, whatever is being done here is one of the best. So let me introduce one of them and let's see what's going on. Yeah. Hey, bro.
Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You good? What's your name?
Ian James.
Ian James, man. This is Ian James. Ian James, is your first time to be in this area?
Not quite really the first time. This is the second time. The first time I was here, I had to come and take the measurements.
Yeah.
And now I'm here to deliver.
To deliver.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's very great. So guys, today we have very good news, which Ian will be here. He'll be sharing with you what's happening, and for each and everything that we'll be having. he'll be telling you and we'll be documenting this. So we have a lot of luggages that are here. Then we want to see what's going on. So Ian, without much ado, let me take you there. We have breakfast first, and then the rest is just history. All right, man. Thank you, man, for coming, bro. Yeah. Hey guys, so we are proceeding. We are leaving this area. We wanna have breakfast first, then we check what's going on around. Let's see. This is the famous club and the supermarket over here called Kanai's. Yeah. The Tanzanian trucks. You see, they have long chases. Hey, yes, me. I'm good, bro.
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself. We are on the road, man.
Oh, what's up, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, it's Robbie David.
Yes.
We're on the shopping. I think CJ will be showing you
For sure.
what I was doing at the street here.
Yeah.
Moving around.
For sure.
Yeah, actually, I'm depending on you going to the Gori
Okay.
to pick up the
Cake.
Yeah, okay.
So call me.
Okay, no worries.
Okay, bro. Yeah. And that's Robbie David.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, what does he do?
He also do YouTube. He's a vlogger. So today is his birthday. So yeah. So guys, we are here at the hotel. So we're gonna have breakfast as chapati. We have milk tea. So that Ian has gone to wash his hands. So we wanna have our breakfast. Then we can proceed. And then he can just relax for a little bit. And then we can see the rest. You know, over here also, so it's great, you know. Let him this is our breakfast, chapati and tea. Yeah, so guys, we are from having our breakfast, so let us proceed. We see what's going on around. Okay. Yeah guys, so we are actually literally heading to the orphanage. And this is the road that heads to the orphanage. And I'm here with Ian. Ian, man.
Yes.
Give yourself a shout out here and tell people maybe what you do. And maybe if it's work for this, then you can advertise it here. Maybe there's somebody who really wants some of your products in a large quantity, maybe for schools and that stuff.
Well, I'm so much into creative and designing.
Yeah.
I do fashion and design.
Oh, fashion and designing, man.
Yeah.
That's great.
Gents.
Uh-huh.
But mostly I like gents. Gents where I think like most of the people have really neglected sana boy child.
Yeah, boy child, yeah, for sure. You know, with us, we put on anything and it goes on.
Yeah. So I love to advocate sana for boy child. Gents where more smart casual and official. That's the suits.
Yeah.
And also on a large scale, I can do uniform. I have a team I work with.
Yeah.
And so we can really deliver depending on work someone wants.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, that is from Ian. So sometimes maybe if you really want maybe a fashion designer, for those who are like in Nyabohanse, you know, if you want a fashion designer, and if you want somebody who can clad you to be like somebody who is really like a great YouTuber, we have here Ian, you know. So today we are going to crown some people. We clad them, some children around here, so we want to see his work, and literally we can also keep on promoting him and also recommending him to some people around the world. And we check on his work, you know. So yeah. So Ian, how do you find it over here? Like though being your second time. The other time you came when it was not raining, right?
Oh, it was
raining.
We couldn't even access the road. I can tell you it was muddy. Getting all the way from
the border to this area.
To this area. You know, we really had to stop.
Walk a little bit. Right there, right?
Yeah. somewhere around in the front over there.
Yeah. Sometimes, you know, when we tell people like sometimes our roads are crazy, they don't really understand. When they see it and we're like, hey, you're good, man. Others, the roads are not even navigable. But sometimes that was your first experience over here, and you were like, man, again I'm going there.
Yeah, and I was like, how will I even go? I was really praying that
it doesn't rain.
It doesn't rain. But thankful enough, you can see
the weather is favorable.
Yeah.
Actually, I think by around noon it will start also again to rain. You know? And the funny thing is, you know, the people who really destroy these kind of roads are the people who harvest sand from the roadsides, you know. But that's how they earn a living, you know. So this point, right? This is the worst part when it rains. This one, guys. Ay. This place is the worst when it rains. You don't pass here. You know, sometimes when you are going with the car, like you want to take it to left, it gives you a route of right, you know. So you're meandering from one point to another. You know, but so far so good. And things are okay, right? Are you recommending some people maybe to, like, for example, have you ever been in the village, like stayed in the village?
Yeah, I have.
You have a village?
And I really like the place, the environment. It's cool, and plus it's breathable. You know, in the city, things are crazy. People live in the city, they think that everything is in the city, but
most of the stuffs are here in the village.
Everything is here if we could only see.
Because we have also electricity that is over here. We have what we call like plenty of food. You know, the only thing that people really miss is that vibe of tall buildings, skyscrapers, noise environment, you know. Sometimes there's something like, but with us here it's very cool. A lot of trees. As you have said, the environment is breathable. In the city, guys, man, that time like now when it's now raining, the garbages are scattered all over. I
mean, you saw what happened to Nairobi
last time. And you know the funny thing is, bro, I was in Nairobi by that time, and before it started raining, the same evening, I told the guy who were with, like, let's go home. Safi man, let's go home. And Safi bro. Yeah, poa sana, let's go home. Because I think I've missed my family. That's what I told him. So he was like, let's stay for a day. I told him, no, let's go home. Imagine the same evening, we are seeing news. Nairobi's flooding. Oh, you see, bro?
It was worse.
And the same place where we were, alongside Mlolongo, is where there were a lot of floods. So I told him, man, you see, your car could have gone.
That would have been very, very bad experience.
But we are praying for each and every person, man, for the deceased, for those who really their properties got destroyed. But anyway, it's a natural calamity that you cannot
actually, as we were coming along the road, we were passing, and you know, it was literally raining in town. And you could see there is jam, the cars are not moving, and water is starting to rise up, and I'm like,
what the hell?
Of all the days, yesterday it did rain, the previous day it did rain, but tonight, of all days,
it's raining again.
No, this can't be. But luckily we got out.
You got out, man. Man, things are sometimes when it's we say when your day is your day, you can, even if you fly, things will just come. But we thank God, man, things are okay. We appreciate. So guys, we are proceeding to the orphanage, and we are vibing with Ian James, and he has told you that he is a fashion designer, or he's a fashionator. Is it that even English? And a designer, you know, he's a fashion designer.
In Kenya, anything is possible.
It's possible. You create your own dictionary, or you create your own words. So we are cruising village area.
You just see the landscape over there.
In that area, man. You haven't seen stones, man. I'll take you someplace today. Hopefully. We just take you someplace.
Like how
You see how,
it's beautiful.
yeah, for nature walks. Maybe in the evening when you are free, you pass by here, you see the views and stuff are okay. Alright guys, let's proceed there and see what's going on around. Okay. So guys, we are here at the orphanage. This is the orphanage Noah's boat. So it's like been another nice time. Yaje? Hey, it has been long guys since we visited this area. Let's go see what's going on. Kids are running helter skelter. Let's see. We are arriving. Let's see how it is. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, since we stopped there, things are moving okay, not bad. Mr. Ian,
Yes.
we are here, bro.
Glad to be here.
Yeah,
So let's see.
Let's see how it goes. All right. Yeah. Yes.
How are you?
I'm good.
God bless you.
Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Yeah, we are doing
Long
well.
time.
Yes.
We are here. Even the dogs are trying to sniff and here. Hey, I'm the one, man. Come on. Oh, it's a new dog. How are you
They
doing?
are not new.
Uh-huh.
They are just the same.
They're just trying to sniff and hey, is he really Claude Joseph?
Yeah.
I'm here, and they are now very healthy, Mama. Dogs are very healthy. How are you? You good? Long time, man.
Be blessed.
Also, you want greetings from me? How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Good. Yes.
Hapa mimi nilikuwa niko kanisa hapo. Nasema tumewasubiri.
How has been everything? I see it's very quiet.
Good.
Environment cool.
Yeah, God is so faithful.
For sure.
Yes.
Thank you, Mom. Yeah, so we are with Ian. So this has been organized long time ago, since last year.
Yeah.
So since last year, and we were like, let's try to surprise. We were like, let's send Ian to come here first, do some
Wow,
stuff.
that's so
But
nice.
yeah, this was one of big surprise. I don't know if you talked to her.
Yeah.
One of the subscribers.
Yes.
She really said, okay, Claude, you have to do this.
Yeah.
And I trust you to go and have a very nice time to surprise the children around. So we have the luggage in here. Ian will be handing it over.
Okay.
So guys, because of this, we have to do some stuff first. We have to do some arrangements right here. Okay? Upper? Okay, there they have closed. Sorry. So we have to arrange each and everything first, and then we hand it over to children. Yeah. It's dark, Asante. It's dark. Ooh, here, right. Hey, it's dark, guys. These people need electricity kindly, guys. Can really help them. Mzazi yaka hapa mbele, si ndio? And then we start organizing them. Ama tungizeka penye. So Ian is unboxing. We literally want to unbox. Then we will share with you how everything is going. So he's unboxing them from there. We also unboxing this from this side. Then we want to see the big surprise for the children, alright? Okay. So over here we have bags. These are kind of bags that we have. They are kind of bigger bags that we share with you. So we have put them around here. They are these kind of bags that we have them all over this end. Then each and every bag, Ian will be putting up some stuff that are needed to be put inside here. So they are probably like how many bags?
136 in total.
Yeah, 136 bags in total. And now later we'll be putting each inside, maybe pants and other stuff that are here.
The pants.
What do you have for the boys?
And for the boys.
Yes.
We also have socks.
Socks.
We also have
Stockings for girls. This is great, man.
We have the panties for the kids.
For the kids?
Yes.
Oh, nice. This is so great, man.
Yeah.
So let's maybe we could have we could have done this, like we select the other part for boys and this other part for girls, so we put on stuffs. Yeah, so let's wait and see guys how it's going on. Okay, so guys, we are here, and on this other side we have both boys and girls gender. So we have small, medium and large. So sometimes you might see how the room is filled and you'll be like, how is it going? Like we have this for small girls, they are pink, small girls. Then we have medium, which resembles this for medium girls. Then we have this for large girls, all the way to this end. So inside this bag we have inside each bag we have two panties, one stocking, and there's some more things that are being unboxed on this other side, you know.
This project should be a success.
Yeah.
And may God bless them.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Even me, I want to say God bless you so much. Thank you for taking your time. Yes, everyone who has been organizing all this. It's a big surprise to our kids. And we are going to kneel down even to pray for you guys, that may God add you more and more blessings. May God give you good health. May God protect you. That's all I can say, because what you have really done for us, it's something that's unexplainable. I cannot explain what I see, and it's much. So for everyone who has given us these big blessings, let me call it a sacrifice, because you just deny yourself just to bless us. So on behalf of the orphanage, on behalf of my kids, I want to say thank you so much. So we are here with our kids, but some of them, they just gone to choir. We were invited in another church in town, but I decided to remain here to wait you guys, and the other kids still, I got another chance to 2 schools to put them in a boarding school, because it was very hard to me to keep them, and even to pay their school fees was so hard. I was pushing myself, and even I was so much stressed. I was very sick. But after talking with our pastors, they decided to help me to put those big kids to higher in a boarding school. So we really thank God. And outside here we have only 60 kids. The rest, and the 18 kids, they have gone to high school. And I thank everyone who is supporting me to pay the school fees for those kids. We have a friend even from outside, those who are standing with us, and we want to say thank you so much for supporting me to pay the school fees of those kids in high school. And then I can say, all of you, may God bless you, even for everyone who has supporting me to pay the school fees for my daughter Grace. She has already joined Thika nursing school. So we want to say thank you. This blessing is coming double. After this, after getting schools to the kids to be in boarding school, then we got chance to my daughter. When we got the letter, invitation letter, I didn't have any money, but God did a miracle, and we just get there. And then I thank God for 3 pastors. They decided to help me to put other big kids to high school. They could never go to the high school because they were 18 of them, and they did grade 9. And the government, they said, no, repeat. So it was a very, very tough time to me, but I thank God for everything. And this today, I can say this is answered prayer. To see all this, it means that still we are not alone. There are some people outside there thinking so much about this kid, and I want to say, may God bless you. Whatever little thing that you send to this innocent kid, it will come back to you even billion times. It's my prayer that you may not lack, and I'm praying that God will open more and more doors of blessing to all of you, and may God keep you safe. May God protect you by the blood of Jesus. So we are here with Claude Joseph. We are here with Ian.
Yes.
We have been talking through phone, and this is the day. I can sing that this is the day that the Lord has made.
Yeah.
This is the day that the Lord has made. So may God bless you as you see all this stuff here, all these gifts. So God bless you. I hope today our kids, they are going even to sing, even I don't know, to dance or to cry.
Yeah, for
because
sure.
it's wow. Big
It's a big blessing.
blessings.
All right.
Yeah, even me, I can feel it in my spirit.
Yeah.
Thank
that
you.
this is the day God was planning for us.
For sure.
Yeah, so God bless you so much. I didn't go where we were invited to go because I was still waiting for you. So feel at home, and I love you all. Yeah, and this is your home.
Thank you.
This is
Yeah,
home.
please
Thank
feel free.
Yeah,
Thank
this is
you.
home.
Yes,
Thank you.
I'm so happy to work with you and even to be with you every time.
All right.
Yes,
It's a
thank
pleasure.
you so much.
Yes, this is so impressive, man. The shoes for girls, See, they are glittering. Wow, man. And these are for girls, literally, that we have been mixing in here, putting them all around. So now it's time for boys also. Let me see how it's going. It's a lot of shoe that are in here. We also have this black. Is that alpaca? I thought it's Al Capone. Alpaca. So just like that. And also we have bigger for girls and boys. Can't wait to see how stuffs are going all around. Yeah, now the courtesy of Ian around here, the designer, fashion designer himself. Yeah, so those are kind of the clothes. So this one, what you are doing them on your own, you are sewing them on your own.
Yeah.
So
I decided to design them a little bit
for
the little ones.
for the little ones.
Little elastic.
Hey man, I love that material, bro. Yeah.
You should get one.
Yeah. So like at the waist they have elastic.
So that they can fit and they can wear a bit for quite long.
Yeah, that's very nice, man.
So
they
just packing each of them, placing them in a bag.
Yeah. So each and every cloth in here,
so
they have names. Yeah.
Like this one is David Kasira. So just pack them,
and then that's small, right?
Yeah, so this is small, and these are the small bags.
Small bags, yeah.
So just
trying to look, and it
can
goes hand in hand with the bag.
Yeah. So there are shoes.
Yeah, there are shoes in here.
Yeah.
There are 2 pairs of socks. There's some boxers
The
in.
socks and the boxers.
Yeah.
So basically,
That's done.
that's done.
Yeah.
And the label each.
Yeah. David. The other one.
Sarah.
Yeah. Yes, this Easter, the boys will enjoy, man.
Truly
Oh, yeah. Not only boys, even girls. Already he has packed for girls that are already down there. Share with you. And also now here it's done.
That's done.
Yeah. It's quite we thought it was just an easy job, but oh my god, no, it's very, very hectic. Yeah. Yeah, man, the African antique. Wow, man, look at that. Very nice. Bro. Look at that shot, guys. And this one looks very nice. Oh, these are for small boys.
It's very, very young boys.
Man, This is very nice.
So this is Gavin June.
Gavin. David Jr.
Gavin.
Gavin. Oh, Gavin. Okay, that's so nice, man. Yeah, so guys, we're trying to pack, and we see what's going on around.
Takes some time, but finally
We will be done. We'll
be
done.
done.
Yeah. So we also have this, and look at the shirt. Wow, man. Ah, man. And you did this on your own.
Yeah.
Ah, bro, you are master on this.
I'm quite humble.
Yeah, man. Guys, you see the material. I really love the material, how it's going on.
The Ankara.
And also the seaming, you know, the overlock. Ah, bro. It's called the Ankara design, you know. Oh, yeah. Very nice, bro. Very nice. The Ankara design. Okay. So have another design.
Rahimi Hussein Idrisa.
So there's the shirt for this. And this one. Yo, man. Yo. Look at this. Very nice. Ankara. Yeah, guys, so literally our brother here, Mr. Ian, has arranged everything in its own bag. So like right here we have the clothes, we have shoe, we have stocking for girls, and we have socks for boys, and shoe, you know. Also in here we have it's clothes. For the girls we were giving them dress, stocking, shoe and panties.
Yeah.
But for the boys they were shoes, socks, boxers, and trousers and shorts. Yeah. So actually, because some are at school, like we want to do what we call like to hand over whatever it's here for those who are available, and the rest we want to leave it to Pastor Esther. Like you said, these ones are the ones that are available here, right? But these ones are the ones who are at school. Majority of them are large and medium. Yeah, so let me call Pastor Esther so that we can hand over and then we see. Yeah. So these are bags that we have here. So at least the some that have clothes outside, they just putting in their clothes in here, and it will be really great and amazing. You know, you see there are a lot that are in here, you know. So definitely let's wait and see. For those who are available, one hand over whatever it's here, and may Almighty God bless you all for the great support that you're doing. Then we want to see what's going on. Yeah. So you start calling the names.
You want to start with girls?
I want to start with girls.
Yes.
So basically I'm just going to follow the names and hand over to them.
Okay.
Okay, that's okay.
Leah Dominic.
So the children are there.
Leah Dominic.
She's like,
Julia.
that's how it's being done, guys. Okay, that's how it's being done.
Jen Boke.
Jen Boke.
Jen Boke.
Okay, just put her aside.
Zainab Boke.
Okay.
Mulikuja mkazichanganya tena na wenye wako shule. Si tulikuwa wenye wako
Okay.
hapa Eliza.
Endelea.
Nice. Sasa itabidi
Esther Elizabeth.
ndio hiyo mera.
Okay, yuko hapa melala. See how it's going on, and then finish. So we're just going to hand over everybody. So we're having these bags, interior for girls. They have a lot of stuff. See, so in here Nyamusi, this is yours. Okay. Okay.
Rebecca Wamboi.
Rebecca Wamboi. Yeah. Hey, Rebecca, this is yours. Okay. I think, give me a minute. Diana. Okay. You're welcome.
Javian Wafula.
Wafula Javian. Wafula. Eh. Ni wewe, si ndio? Haya. Haya, thank you. Dorcas. This for Dorcas. Janet Robbie. Okay. Welcome.
Is there another Janet Ruby there?
Nani?
Janet Ruby.
Janet Robbie is there. This one? This is Janet Ruby.
Elizabeth Boho.
Who is Janet Ruby? Okay. Na hii ni?
Elizabeth Boho.
Hi. Janet Ruby. Hiyo ni? Elizabeth Ruby. No, this is the Elizabeth. For Elizabeth. And then Janet Ruby. Okay. Thank you.
Mary Bosibori.
Mary Busibori. Right.
Cheryl.
Cheryl.
Cheryl Oma.
Cheryl. Have this. Right.
Esther Ndaga.
Esther Chagwa.
Salome Sarah.
And Salome Sarah. Esther. Okay. Salome. Welcome.
Eunice Musembi.
Eunice Musembi. Eunice. Having gifts. Faith Beatrice. Ayuko? Okay. Okay.
Chevian Blessings.
Shivian Blessings. Ayuko pia?
Matipo. Felista Matipo.
Matipo Felista. Hawajui wenzao.
Kuna Florence mkubwa ule wa secondary.
Hii ni ya mtoto mdogo. Right.
Elizabeth Wanjiru.
Elizabeth Wanjiru.
Vincent Zakaria.
Vincent Zakaria. Vincent Zakaria. So for the boys, we have Alan. Alan Chacha. Alan Chacha. Zitako tu mama. Huyo ni Brighton Gati Chacha. Brighton Gati Chacha. Haya.
Si mwenye yuko hapo mnasemaje?
And then
Kama hapo shuleni mnasema hapo shuleni. Wale walienda.
Isaac Solomon.
Isaac Solomon. Okay.
Mnakwambia sio mnatunyamazia.
Okay.
Bosiru Seronga.
So we have this for the boy. Robi. Okay. Mbunge. So. Sawa, Donaldson. Okay. Okay, Joseph. Again. David Jr. Welcome. Nyaga Julius. Sawa kijana. Okay. Premium. Okay. Eric Robi. Zakaria Isaya. Okay. Bravin Gikoi. Yako ndio hii. Ndio hii yako. Ya huyu hii ni ya Esther. Bravin Gikoi. Aka. Good luck Nyahiri. Mkinyamaza wengine wasikie. Good luck Nyahiri. Good luck. Nyahiri ni nani? Good luck ni nani? Mkubwa yuko wapi? Mdogo yuko wapi? Ana mkubwa? Sawa. Chukua hii. Ngoja tuangalie. Alex Maja. Joram Joseph. Hai. Jane. Marwa Joseph. Keep quiet. Marwa Joseph. Frida. Alice Adembi. Ade? Haya, Adembi. Haya. Nyabori. Haya. Yunis Nyabori. Haya. Awe kamweka. Hii ni yako. Sawa? Nyaboke Mary. So guys, we are literally done. These are for the kids or children who are at school, and there are some who are remaining. Kila mtu ainue bagi yake juu hivi bagi yake, kila mtu ainue bagi yake. Yeah, so that those who have really, they have their bags still, and nimesema bagi sio nguo. Yeah. Kuna wenye amefungua. So they have their bags still over here, and there are those who are still at school. So we are definitely saying thank you so much for this great amazing time. And bro, you can yeah, what do you say for our guest who has really...
God bless you so much.
God bless you so much.
Yeah.
Our Jesus.
Bro.
May God expand your territory. And welcome back to our boat. Amen.
All right. Okay. So, yeah, you want to say something to the children?
Hello.
Yes.
How are you feeling? I am happy.
Yes.
I Asanteni kwa kunikaribisha pia, si ndio?
Yes.
I hope to return again siku nyingine.
Yes.
With some other blessing and many more blessings, and may God bless you all and abundantly gift you at all times of the day. Na mkue wazuri, si ndio?
Yes.
Sawa, sisi tunaondoka. I hope siku nyingine nikuja mtanikaribisha tena, si ndio?
Yes.